Hello hoppers and welcome to MuchoHop. Greetings from Belgium. I'm in Brussels. I think the weather's going to be pretty nasty. So when you have this situation, you have to try and figure out what you're going to do. I actually want to go to the Atomium because it's a very cool thing to see, especially if you like science like moi. And if it rains, I'm covered. So so I think I might take an Uber. I'll show you guys how I do that, and maybe I'll have lunch there because I haven't had breakfast, you know. Oh, and by the way, I downloaded my Brussels map on Google Maps like I showed you in my Zurich video, so I'll be using that. You can use the map offline. Okay, so I just called an Uber and it'll be here like in 2 minutes. So here we are at the Atomium. It just looks shinier than it did a few years, well, a long time ago. Look how cool it is. They don't allow backpacks, so you have to leave it in a locker. Put the coin in, and then you close it, and then you have to turn it. And it should be locked. Now I'm gonna buy a ticket. It's 15 euros. Hello.
Hello.
One ticket.
Atomium?
Oui.
Where are you from?
Germany. Germany, New York. Both.
Dankeschön.
Merci. Oh, merci.
You speak German?
Danke. Ein bisschen.
Ein bisschen.
Yeah.
In the price, it's also included the design museum.
Okay.
Atomium design.
Dankeschön. So I got the ticket. You see, when there are different languages involved, it's always a mess. Dankeschön. Thank you. Gracias. Merci. You never know what to say. So, wait here.
Okay, come on everybody, let's go. Regardez tous vers le haut. Look up, everybody.
Oh.
Donc on se dirige maintenant vers le panorama à une vitesse de 5 mètres secondes, 5 mètres per second for the speed. C'était l'ascenseur le plus rapide en 50 en Europe. It was the fastest lift in Europe yet. On devrait atteindre le sommet en 22 secondes en 2 mètres. So 92 meters in 22 seconds. That's my speech. It's a short one. I have no time to make a big one.
So that's how it is. So there's mini Europe if you guys want to go there after. If you want to go after, if I want to go after. If it doesn't rain, I'll go, maybe. I don't know, I'm seeing it from here, it's okay. Funny, I actually feel a little lightheaded. Very strange. I checked the menu for the restaurant. It's pretty expensive. I'm gonna pass. We were here on the 7th floor. You get a 360-degree panoramic view of Brussels. It's cool. I'm back down here, and there I can take the escalator to one of these exhibits here. There's permanent exhibit, Kids Sphere, events. So it's a combination of escalators and stairs. So up we go. Ooh, let's see the model. like I'm in a spaceship. Well, did you guys know the Atomium was built as an attraction and a pavilion for the 1958 World Fair in Brussels? So that's why they built it, and now it's like the Eiffel Tower of Brussels. It's become a symbol of Brussels. Spaceship. Now this stuff is old. I actually used to have one of these when I was a kid. A more modern one, of course. We're up in the clouds, hoppers. Oh, and by the way, they have an app for the iPhone that you can follow all the different points and listen to a description of each point. I haven't downloaded it, but I'm assuming it's that. That's it. Wee. Psychedelic. Now that was cool. How do we get out? This way. Just follow the exit signs. They have chocolates and they have a shop here, gift shop. So the special exhibit was of Magritte. Really cool. I liked it. Very surrealistic. Yes. Okay, hoppers, that was the Atomium. Wasn't it cool? I mean, at least I liked it. But let me tell you, I'll be honest. When I went all the way to the top, right over there, I was like, where you could see the panoramic view of Brussels, I was like, that's it. But it's not worth 15 bucks, euros. But then when I went to see all the other exhibits, I said yeah. And when I went through those tunnels and cool escalators, that I said, yeah, this is worth it. I like that kind of stuff. If you guys are into that kind of geeky stuff, you'll love it. I enjoyed it. So I recommend it. If you guys are here and you have some time, come to the Atomium. Yes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon in my next video. Who knows where. Bye.